Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video about gold. So let's get started. I'm going to take you back from the beginning of September. So this is the chart I made on the 2nd of September this year, 2023. And there were two scenarios. The first scenario was that the price was bouncing from here from 1877. So I said, we're probably going to go up. If we go above 1959, then we're probably going to go up to 1987, then come back to 1959, and then bounce, and then continue to go to the upside, right? So from bouncing from 1877 straight up to the upside. The second scenario was this, that right from here, where 1959, we're going to drop back to 1877, and then even more to the downside to 1802, and then probably will bounce. All right. So what happened is that it went for the second scenario, this one, and it started to drop from here. Watch this one. So it came all the way here, right? From 1959, it started to come down here, and then I made the chart that we're gonna bounce from 1802, as I was expecting before. So 1802 and 61%, this is the chart I made on the October 7th. And look what happened to this chart is this. Started to bouncing and then went up to 1959, even higher to 1987 this time. So I said, okay, let's go continue to the upside. And I start taking the long. This is the first one here, going to the upside. This is the second one. Then it went up even a little bit more to the upside to 2009. Right now here I made another chart that will continue going to the upside. Look at that, right? So 2003 from here to here, from 1982 to 2003. This was a long here. Then this is where I made another chart that, okay, we are at 2009. So two scenario here as well. First is that maybe we'll continue to go to the upside to this band here, 2080. If we don't go above 2009, and if 2009 hold and we're going to drop, then we're going to drop back to 1920 and then bounce, right? So exactly that's same thing happens after a week when it didn't go to the upside above 2009. So I said, okay, eliminate that option, and it's going to drop now to 1920 and then bounce. So it just started to come down, and I got a couple of short here, like this one here, from 1987 straight down to 1965 number. And there's another one from 1967 to 1949. And then you can see that halfway it is there, 1959. And then another short here all the way to 1934. And that's where we came and we hit 1920. So now this chart on the 14th November saying that came down to 1920 and now bouncing. Now this start to bounce from here, 1920, and I start taking the long again. So these are the long setups, long trades. This one on 14th. This is on the 16th from 1965 to 1981. And this entry was also taken from other account, and here it is, from 1971 to 1982. Then this one here from 1985 to 2000 on the 22nd. And this one today, not today, Monday, on the 26th November. The entry was actually on last Friday, 24th, but closed on Monday. And you see this line here, this is 2009. I forgot to set type the number here. This is 2009. So my idea was that on Sunday I did the webinar. I said, if we can break above 2009, then we're gonna fly to the upside a lot more, right? So this was the first one. And I said, well, let me close and see what happened at 2009. So later on, it didn't bother coming down 2009 and start to go to the upside. And this is what happened. This is the one, the first entry here. Then second, it went above it, came back, retracing, and then start to go up right here. This is second entry here as well. And all the way here to the R2 I closed because I had to do a one-on-one. So I didn't want to open it, and I had two positions here, right? So I closed here, but there's another one going on from the other account, and that I left it open, and right from there, the same kind of entry from 215 all the way to 2042. This is where I closed this one after I finished the webinar, one-on-one, sorry, right? So this is what happened. The first one was closed here with two entries, one from here, one from here. I close here. This one all the way to this. So this is what happened to gold, and let me see, and this is what we ended up today so far. 2038. I recorded this chart. Let me see what we're doing currently on that weekly chart. Currently is this 204088, right? And still trying to go up, but I don't think that it's going to go up anymore today. Maybe tonight with one more little more push, and then we're probably going to hit this band here, 2080. And then if we break that, I doubt it. I think that we're going to drop first and then go to the upside. But let's see. First, we get to this 2080, and then we will see what happens, right? But probably tonight we're going to go and hit this 2080 area. All right, so this is what's happening in gold. After this, I'm gonna make a video about the oil. Oil is also beautifully, going through with my analysis, and so that's why don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get these videos on time as soon as I upload them, so that you can take advantage of these setups, right? And if you like what you saw, you can, if you want to learn how to do these analysis and my system, that how to take these entries from these, whatever the setup is, where the heck it go. Let me see. This was, see, these are the entries, right? This is the setup. This is the setup. This is the entry as well. Beautiful entries, by the book entries. So if you want to get this setup and learn how to do this analysis and all of that, so go on my website here and subscribe. One-on-one coaching is available there. The 10-hour course, monthly subscription, yearly subscription, and my robot that takes the trades automatically, all of that. Plus, when you subscribe, you will become a part of my Telegram channel as well, where I post all the setups, upcoming setups and updates and all of that, the videos, how to do this, how to do that, different things. That helps a lot. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week. And like I said, that subscribe my YouTube channel, so that the next video I'm going to make is for oil, and it is also very lucrative and moving now. It started to move today very beautifully. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later soon.